In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Squarespace to Webflow easily and efficiently. This process involves a few straightforward steps to ensure that your website, designed on Squarespace, can seamlessly transition to its new home on Webflow. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the domain name that you wish to transfer. If you're unfamiliar with the interface, don't worry. I'll guide you through it. On your Squarespace dashboard, look for the Domains section. Here, you'll see a list of all the domain names associated with your account. Find the domain you want to transfer and carefully copy the full domain name. Remember, accuracy is crucial here, so double-check to ensure you have copied it correctly. Next, let's move over to Webflow. You'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for one. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left side of the dashboard. This is where you'll find the Site Settings option. Click on it to proceed. The Site Settings page is essentially the control center for your Webflow project, where you can make changes to a variety of aspects, including publishing settings, which is what we need right now. Once you're in the Site Settings, look for the Publishing tab. This is the section where you manage how your website is presented to the world. Click on Publishing, and you'll see all the necessary options for configuring your domain and website publishing preferences. In the publishing settings, you'll find a field for the Webflow domain. This is where that domain name you copied from Squarespace comes into play. You simply paste the copied domain into the designated field. Make sure you paste it accurately to avoid any possible connection issues. With the domain name pasted, take a moment to review all the information on the screen to confirm that everything is correct. It's always a good idea to double-check to prevent any future complications. Once you're sure that everything is as it should be, locate the Publish button. Clicking on this will initiate the transfer and publish your website on the Webflow platform with the new domain name. And there you have it. Your domain is now successfully transferred from Squarespace to Webflow, ready to serve your web visitors from its new address. It's a simple process, but taking each step carefully ensures a smooth transition. With these concise but comprehensive steps, you'll have your site up and running on Webflow in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other similar tutorials on the channel for more Webflow tips and tricks.